Hello everybody. This is a tour of our new house. Here's the front. There's our master bedrooms upstairs. There's the front door with Dade coming down the stairs. So you have to come up these stairs. Dade. Dade, can you open the door? Say hi, Buddha. Can you open the door? Alright, so you come in. Come on. And look, more stairs. Isn't that wonderful? So, upstairs, there's our baby gate. Second gate down here. Here's Milo. Hey, hi, Milo. So, you come upstairs. Dade, can you go upstairs? Up. Go upstairs. Go upstairs, Dade. Come on, up. Come on. Here, he's a little bit slower going up than he is going down. But he can do it. Come on. Alright, so we get upstairs into our gate. That is propped open right now so that the dog and cat can get up. So this is upstairs. Here's Dade's old crib. Here's the master bedroom. There's Adobe sunning. And here's a closet, bathroom, another closet, which is nice. Dade's looking under the bed. Come on, Dade, let's show them your room. Come on. Come on, let's go to your room. Then you come down this hall. And here is the guest bath, which is Dade's. Hi. Dade's bathroom. And guest room here that we don't have a bed yet, but we will soon enough. So there's a little door here that they share with the bathroom. Dade, come on. Saying hello. Are you saying hello to Dobie? Hi, Dobie. Okay. Let's go to your room. Go to your room. Go, hurry, hurry. Hurry, go to your room, hurry. Come on. Let's take off your shoes. And here is Dade's room. There's a little closet, linen closet there. Here's his room. His new little bed. Isn't that cute? Is that your bed? Huh? And here's a little dresser and his closet, bookshelf. And yeah, that's his room. So now, I guess we'll go back downstairs. You want to go downstairs? Let's show everybody how you can go downstairs. Yeah. Remember, go feet first. Turn around. Sit down. Feet first, remember? Feet first. Whoops, there goes the turtle. Turtle. Okay, come on. There's the turtle. Come on, let's go. Downstairs. Here is Dade coming downstairs. Come on, Dade. Now, if he really wants to, he can get down these stairs like super fast. But come on, come downstairs. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Are you going back up? Come on. Come downstairs. Okay, I'm gonna pause.